Big Jover here. Squad. Pie's finally here. What's up, Animal Cub?
Hey.
Yeah, what's up, Animal? Yeah, you brought your bag? Yeah, you're getting vlogged today, buddy. My boy Pie's gonna wire up this fuel system for us. He's gonna take care of the fan for us, and a few other things. These are the relays that we're using, the weather sealed ones. So these are the best bang for the buck. And my boy's about to get some work in, son. Why are you taking out that yellow wire? Tell me why. Explain it.
It's 8078. You don't need it.
Why not?
Trap, what are you talking about? Trap, what are you talking about?
This guy, he's not telling us all his tricks here, but he's taking out a yellow wire in the middle. And we need answers, man. Me and the gunners need answers. That's the VTEC one? We don't need that one?
No, that's the VTEC one. Yeah. You don't need the VTEC over.
You know what you're doing? You know what you're doing? My man! My boy Pie finessed the ground here. So, ground for both pumps. Let me see. Ground for both pumps. He's going to shrink tube everything. He's going to put these two together and then put it to the chassis, right? You're going to clean the spot on the chassis? My man.
I'm going to use this bolt in here.
You use that bolt? Hold on, let me see it. Yeah, buddy. What you got going on there, Pie? What wire are you sending now?
Now the power wire.
I like that grommet too. I like that grommet. So we're sending the power wire down, and we're gonna run that power wire, that pie wire. We're gonna run the power wire across the chassis like that, where that harness goes, behind there, around, and both wires will sit there. Oh, we working?
I do the fucking concentric twisting in the hair. I put some heat shrink in there.
My man ain't get laid in 12 years. Somebody help him. Nah. I don't even need to explain this, man. He's just twisting the wires. But somebody help this man, bro. Where's he from? New Haven? Meriden? Where? Where you from?
Me?
Yeah.
Papa, New Haven.
New Haven, Papa.
New Haven, Papa.
Pause. Okay, guys, so I told you this vlog was going to be real weird. It's like a couple of days and stuff. It's because I'm trying to keep everything like in sequences and all these basically, all the vlogs together. So right now, I just wired in the water pump. I shrink tubed the power wire into inside. I'm going to set that power wire onto a relay along with the other stuff with the fuel pump. So I'm going to get another I really need a light. I'll be right back. Let me get a light. So I'm going to set up another relay for the water pump. This is my power wire from the water pump. So I'm going to set up one more relay for the water pump so it can activate with key on. And once the car turns on, that's when the water pump and fuel pump will stay on. So I put two fuse holders in between here on 30 amp. This is all looks like a mess right now. Don't worry about it. I'm still going to bolt these guys up to the chassis. But the fuel pump is done, and our check engine light from the stock harness is in right here, which is A13. Shifter's on. I don't know what part of the vlog I just did. I just ordered the block off for the radio. I'm not putting music in here. I don't know. I'll leave the wiring there for the winner. But I'd like the winner of the car to actually do something on his own with it. Wiring is back there all nice and neat from the fuel pump. Put a grommet in the back. I ran it through here. And that's the wiring. So We've got a few more days to chip at this thing before we actually turn it on, but it is coming out spectacular. And yeah, put the brake booster line on. Trappy did some awesome things with the shrink tube and the zip tie. It looks great. So we use, like, you know, the zip ties that you basically get arrested with, like the industrial size ones. Snipped them off and then shrink tubed around them. Came out pretty good. Don't kill me on this line, all right? Don't kill me. And gunning along, man. Gunning along. I painted some other stuff for the car, and that's it. Hey guys, I'm sorry for this vlog. I know it's weird. I don't even know how long it's gonna be. I've just been collecting footage, and I'm just gonna edit it and put it on up. So with that being said, I'll conclude it. Please give me some feedback. How you liking Lefty? Is it everything you thought it was? You know what I mean? Are your expectations filled? Do you think we could have done anything differently? I don't know, man. Just comment in the bottom. Talk to me. Let me get some kind of ideas from you guys. But we are kicking tail, man. Like, comment, subscribe. It's a gunner world. Everybody just pays rent in it.